Hey guys, this is Harshit here, and in today's video we are going to discuss about some important questions related to moving charges and magnetism chapter which might appear in class 12 board examination of Karnataka board. So at first be aware of the deleted portion in each and every subject, in each and every chapter. So with respect to this chapter, the deleted portion is cyclotron. So this deleted portion accounts for only 0.1% of the entire chapter, so there will be no difference while reading it. So first thing, be aware of the question paper, analyze it properly, and get to know that where the questions have been asked. So with respect to this chapter, you will get questions as like this. So you will get one question for 2 marks, one question for 3 marks, and one question for 5 marks in the derivation part. And usually there will be no problems, means there will be no numericals in this chapter, but in this year there is a probability that you might get numericals in this chapter. So because some of the portions have also been deleted from other chapters, so that's why you might get numericals in this chapter. So first thing, for 2 marks you should be aware of the basic definitions, and you should learn it very properly. So first thing, first definition is magnetic field. So it is a very basic definition. Next thing is expression for magnetic force. You should be aware of writing it in vector form, minimum and maximum value of magnetic force. Similar follows with Lorentz force also. You should be aware of its definition accurately. And as well as you should be known to write how to write the Lorentz force in vector form, and you should also know some basic definitions such as cross fields, velocity selector, etc. So for 2 marks usually we'll get a questions like this. Coming to the 3 marks part, you might get questions such as force acting on a conductor carrying current in uniform magnetic field. It is the first important 3 marks derivation, so you should be aware of it. Usually it is very easy, and there is a greater probability of asking this question. So next thing, trajectory of a charged particle. It is also very easy question. So 0 degree, 90 degree, between 0 and 90 degree means what path the charged particle will follow if it travels at a 0 degree, 90 degree, or between 0 and 90 degree. You should be aware of this question also. Next, you should be aware of the definitions such as pitch of helix, radius of circular path, crossed fields as I earlier said, and velocity selector. And most importantly, you should be learning Biot-Savart's law. So Biot-Savart's law you might get in 5 marks derivation part also, as well as in 3 marks derivation part also. So learn it completely. So Biot-Savart's law is very important for theory and also competitive exams. So next thing is you should be known definition of current element. Current element is very easy definition, and as well as Ampere circuital law. So for 2 marks there is a greater probability of asking Ampere circuital law. So they might ask questions such as state Ampere circuital law and mention its expression, and also explain the terms in the Ampere circuital law's expression. So you might get question like that. So Ampere circuital law will be important for 2 marks, and Biot-Savart's law will be important for 5 marks as well as for 3 marks. So next thing, for coming to the 3 marks questions, if going further, we'll get questions such as the magnetic field at a point on the axis of circular coil carrying current. So it is also very important question. Usually we'll get this for 5 marks, but for safer side, learn it on the basis for 3 marks also. So don't opt this derivation. It is very important. I'm stressing it. It is very important. So next thing, magnetic field due to an infinitely long straight conductor carrying current. So this question is based on Ampere circuital law. So this question we usually will get it for 3 marks question. So learn it for 3 marks and mark it as important too. So this question is important for 5 marks, and this question is important for 3 marks. So next thing is solenoid and toroid derivation. So you should be also knowing solenoid and toroid derivation also. It is very lengthy derivation, but you might get it this year. So that's why for safer side, learn both the derivation. So once the toroid derivation has been asked, I think in the year 2014, solenoid derivation has not been asked yet, but you might get it because cyclotron topic is deleted. So in 2 marks for the covering sake, usually cyclotron question was being asked in all the years. For example, the uses of cyclotron, but since it has been deleted, this year you might get question from Ampere circuital law. So for safer side, learn solenoid, because you might get the solenoid derivation for 3 marks also, or even toroid derivation for 3 marks also, or you might get this question for 3 marks, and you will get solenoid or toroid for 5 marks. So learn it properly. Next important derivation is force between two parallel conductors carrying current. It is also very important and very easy derivation. You should be knowing the concept of this derivation completely, because you might sometimes you might get 1 mark question from this derivation. So if you are aware of the concept of this derivation, you will easily answer that 1 mark question. If you are not aware, you are simply by-hearted, means you will not be able to answer. So next thing, galvanometer, ammeter. So you should be knowing the definition of this, as well as voltage sensitivity, current sensitivity, what is a shunt, and you should be knowing the conversion of galvanometer to ammeter and galvanometer to voltmeter also. So this is also very important. So next thing, difference between ammeter and voltmeter. So it is important for 3 marks, as well as this conversion also is important for 3 marks. And one more important question for 2 marks is, there might appear question like this. So ammeter have low resistance, why? Ammeter is always connected in series, why? Voltmeter has high resistance, why? And voltmeter is connected in parallel, why? You might get questions as such for 2 marks. So this thing is important for 3 marks, and this thing is important for 2 marks. So focus on the both. So from galvanometer topic portion, you should be aware of the entire topic and learn it properly. Okay, I'm repeating, learn the galvanometer topic completely and accurately. So that's it about today's video. So problems you might get this year, but there is a lesser probability of getting. So if you are focusing on the problems, means focus on this problems based on this derivation, force between two parallel conductors, as well as Biot-Savart's law derivation based problems, as well as magnetic field at a point. So this 5 marks derivation and this 3 marks derivation. So only focus problems on this 4 derivation based problems. That's it. So you won't get problems apart from these topics. So focus on these topics based numericals only. So that's it about today's video. I hope the video was helpful. If you are a new spectator, do subscribe to the channel and make sure to hit the notification bell icon, because more such videos are coming soon. I have made videos for mathematics and chemistry also like this, so you can visit in my channel. So new video will be uploaded soon. Till then, namaste from your brother. Bye bye.